this is NithinNathish. I belong to Tamil Nadu. I have completed my graduation BE in Mechanical Engineering in Nandha Engineering College in year of 2020. I got job offered in IBM with salary offered 2.9 LPA. Evision is the best online platform to develop my skills. Then also the support team is outstanding. So overall it was very great experience with Evision. Then I had very good experience in learning with Evision. I had enrolled online job internship at Evision due to one of my friend have suggested me to join in Evision. Then I searched in some YouTube channel. They used to give me online project based on real-time scenario, which helped me to gain technical skills more comfortably. Then I finally get offered in IBM. Thank you to Evision and with my team. Thank you.